Hey guys, welcome back to Hosting Highlights with another exclusive video on Hostinger coupon code. So guys, to get maximum discount at Hostinger, you have to follow the steps that I will show you. To get started, simply click the discount link provided in the description below and open the Hostinger website. As Hostinger website loads, you have to click the claim deal button. It will go to plans section. Here you can see that there are three plans: premium, business, and cloud startups are available. You can choose any of the plan as per your requirements, but the most popular and most feature plan is business because many features are available in this plan. You can see the 100 websites, manage WordPress hosting, 200 GB NVMe storage, hosting a website builder, and freebie in free domain and free automatic website migration, free email, free unlimited SSL. You have not pay for SSL or domain. These are included free in this package, and daily backups because daily backups is very important for your hosting. If any issue persists in your website or hosting, you have already a backup of your website, so no worry about any issue. Basic WooCommerce free CDN that will fast your website. So guys, for our demo purpose, we will choose business plan. For applying coupon code, we will click choose plan button. It will go toward the cart page. So guys, it will take some time to open cart page. You can see that cart page has been opened and hosting a Black Friday sale is also live. Here is a chance to get maximum discount of hosting a Black Friday sale along with our exclusive coupon code that will provide you extra discount. So guys, you can choose any of the plan: 12 month, 24 month, 48-month plan according to your requirement, but most recommended and most saving are included in this 48-month plan. You will choose 404 $504 and you will get free domain and 3 month free included in this order. So guys, maximum discounts are available in 48-month and 24-month plan. You can also choose 12-month plan according to your requirements, but maximum savings are available in 24 months and 48-month plan. No savings are included in 1 month plan. You have must to choose 12-month, 24-month, or 48-month plan. So guys, we will choose 48-month plan and we will apply our coupon code. You can see the previous price and we will apply our coupon code, that is HA10, and then we can see that our discount pricing. Wait for the discount to be applied. So boom, you can see that coupon is applied and discounts are also working. So guys, here is a 100% working discount coupon code for hosting a HA10. There are also some other coupon code you can choose, that is hosting a promo. This will also provide you maximum discount. You can also choose this according to your choice. So guys, that's all for your today. So guys, as a side note, don't forget to use the discount link provided in the description for activating this coupon code. This coupon code will works only if you go toward hosting our websites by our discount link that is provided in the description below. So guys, simply go to the hosting our website by clicking the discount link provided in the description and enjoy maximum discount. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.